counter. He's hit it badly. He's hit it high. Artful judgment there, finding a gap with that lofted offside drive. Gets to the pitch of the ball and slogs it down the onside. And he doesn't seem to be stoppable here. He's absolutely obliterated that one. They'll be hunting for that one in the audience. That's an identified flying object into the stands for 6. That's a railgun of a shot. Belted it far, high and away. That's beautifully swept by the batsman. Some unbelievable power hitting there. That was spotted so quickly by the fielder. What a great effort in the field. He's yanked that out of the air and pulled it baseball style. That's been pulled away with strong hands. He's played right into the fielder's hands. That's the first wicket down in this innings. Four more runs to the batting team as the ball races away to the boundary. He didn't learn that novelty from the coach. That's 2 boundaries in quick succession. Can he make it a triple? He lofts it over the offside field for more runs. That's nicely played. He is on a poor spell here. He has to pick up his game from now on and try and look for some wickets. A real crowd pleaser, that one. A rocket of a shot. Swept across with no mercy. He clears the feet and slogs it on the onside. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. With a hop, skip and a jump of the ropes, 4 to the batsman. Looks like he's sending a message to the bowler. First ball boundary. That's a good throw by the fielder. Getting right back at the stumps. He has to run hard on this one to be safe. Well run. They make it back into the crease safely. Opening the tally with a quick... He's driven it hard and home, frolicking down the pitch. He logged that one between long on and long off for more runs. He's kicking himself for that shot. Easy catch by the fielder. That's the first wicket down in this innings. It's going to be a nail-biting finish here. Oh, what a shot! The crowd has gone mad. Racing over the edge as this corker of the game draws to a conclusion. He's taken the aerial route. 6 more. That finds the middle of the bat and he goes for the on drive. He's playing it safe by sticking to just the one. all around. The bowler nabs another scalp at the battle's end. A cracking shot comes in during the final countdown. The fielding can only watch with hopelessness and admiration. 6 it is. New to the